Hey guys, Mike from Dirtydog here. We're going to show you how to do an install on a cargo side netting for a JL Unlimited 2018 and newer. Pretty simple install. We've already done the passenger side. We're going to show you how to do the driver's side. They install the same way. So to start with, you're going to have a left and right net. There is a tag on it showing you what's left and right. The bottom has these clips on the bottom. That's how you know the bottom side. That's what we're going to start with first. So you take your two clips and you're going to need to line them up. There's like a hollow spot up here where you can clip the clips on. One can slide back and the sides forward, and you line them up this way. So you have one clip here, one clip here. Your next step is now you're going to take the strap on the top here. All the straps are pre-sewn. Very easy to install. Just wrap them around. Clip in the ladder lock. And give it a little yank. And when you tighten these up, sometimes you got to give them a little twist side to side. They tighten up a little easier that way. Just to let you know how these ladder locks work. There's your ladder lock there. You have sort of two slots. This goes in the bottom slot. And then around through the front slot and pull through. And this is what it should look like. You can have a close look at that. That's what it should look like. And you tighten it up. And that's how it goes around. So that gives you an idea how they go on. Okay, so we got our first one installed here. As you can see, we try to keep it relatively straight. This buckle's here. We've got one little black strap here, which comes separate from the kit. You just feed it through the grommet, and it goes through the keeper on the door here. And all that does, it keeps the net from sliding back. So it's the same thing. It's got a little ladder lock. Twist it on. And this strap won't get in the way of the door. The door keeper on the inside clears the door, no problem. And it doesn't have to be super tight, just in place there like that. Okay, so our next strap is this one here. You can see the two straps going in V shape. One goes to the front of the roll bar, the other one goes behind it. Again, same thing. Okay, we've got that one installed. You don't want to install it too tight. Just put everything on loosely until we get the rest of the straps installed. So we'll go down to the next strap down, right here. Okay, you've got this strap installed, your final strap here, and this strap gets installed in behind. We'll show you here in a minute, there's D hooks on the floor, your luggage rack hooks. They just pull through that. Again, same thing with the ladder lock. Again, that pulls tight. Here's the inside view of that rear side strap as it goes around the loop on the floor. And it locks on there, and that just holds your side in. Okay, we've gone around and adjusted all our straps so they're nice and tight, and she fits all around nice and tight. So now we're done with the side, and we'll go on to the back. Okay, so now we're going to install the back piece of the netting here. You have to install a couple pieces beforehand. One of them is a side strap here that holds onto the back, and it bolts into one of the holes here that the hardtop bolt goes through. If you're a hardtop user, you can use one of the bolts that you have. If you're a soft top user, we provided bolts in the package for you as well. For hardtop users, if you are going to use, if you are going to leave the net on with the hardtop on, you're going to put the hardtop on. You're going to set this over the hole, and then the screw is going to go both through this bracket and through the hardtop as well too. Also on this bracket, we've got a couple in the package. Just plastic, shoulder washer, flat washer, goes on either side of the grommet. It just helps protect your paint when you go in. So we're going to screw this on both sides right now. And I've got these fancy wing nuts because we do a lot of installs and uninstalls, so it's a great little product for us to have. We don't make them, I just bought them. If you're a hardtop owner, you won't have these tailgate retainer brackets. These brackets can be purchased from us or through your Chrysler Mopar dealer will, Jeep dealer will have them as well. They're very simple the way they go on. When you pull your hardtop off, these just sit on here. Use one of your hardtop bolts to bolt it down. And then when your hardtop does come back on, you just have to pull these off. It's very simple, easy to remove and easy to take on and off. And what these are for, these are to hold the tailgate bracket, the tailgate bar that we have on our net, and goes in there. So what you have left in your package now is you got your rear net, you got a 2-piece tailgate bar, and you're gonna have a couple 30-inch straps. And basically, we'll start with, you take your net, you got your 2 rings, they go at the top, and your Dirtydog label faces out. And we're going to go around the sides now. We're going to install this top corner up here. So to install that top corner, you want to go bring your strap, put it above the seatbelt holder. That's how you get your positioning for there. So that's your seatbelt bracket behind here. Strap goes above it. Put your strap in. You don't have to pull it really tight. You just want to get it in position because you have to do the other side as well too. So we're going to go to the other side. Once you get this installed, now you can go center from side to side. Keep adjusting each side until you get it centered with the roll bars. And you can put these on relatively snug now because the position of this won't change on you, so you can tighten up. Okay, now we're going to install the 30-inch straps on the top roll bar. And to get it there, we got to get up top here. Strap around. Okay, so those are snugged up in your roll bar like that. Okay, now we've installed our 2-piece tailgate bar, which you'll see here. You just slide it in from both sides, put it in. We're going to just temporarily sit it in there like that so it's positioned the neck correctly. And in your kit, you've got 4 of these male buckles, which are going to snap into your buckles on the side here. So you're going to feed them in just like your ladder locks, in and through. Got another one. One goes here. One goes here, and we're going to do the other side. Okay, now that you got those installed, you're just going to go snug everything up, make sure everything's nice and tight. So give these a little pull, maybe not too much. And what I find when you're tightening these, sometimes if you push with this side and pull with that side, it'll help tighten up a bit. And just don't over tighten it. You're going to bring it in so you got it nicely centered. You don't want to overdo it. And there you go. And your net's nicely installed. So like I said, this works with soft top or hard top. All your bars and brackets for your soft top will fit in here. It'll open and close easy enough. When you are putting your soft top back together, your hard top back on, you're going to have to pull this tailgate bar out because your soft top window bracket will fit in here, and you'll have to take these brackets off to put your hard top on. And this can just sit across here and just sits there while you're not using it. And then you pull everything off, it goes back in place. And these are quick release buckles, so if you need to get in and out easily, it's quick and easy to do. And that's it. That's your installation for the Dirtydog cargo side net on a Jeep JL. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.